let's face it, anybody can install a ceramic coating. Anybody can get their hands on a ceramic coating. But the question is, what makes the company that installed that ceramic coating different from all the others? What you see here is our coating inspection and maintenance wash. We do this every 6 months, free of charge. Now, if there's anything heavy or excessive above and beyond, normal wear and tear, we do charge extra for that. But most companies, they charge you upwards of $100 to do this every year, and you have to do that to maintain the warranty. We didn't want to charge you extra over top of a $1,600-$1,700 service, so we decided to make this included with all of our level 3 packages. Our level 2 and level 1 get 2 of these. Our level 3 and above gets these done for the lifetime of the coating. Along with having these maintenance washes included, we also invite any of our coating clients in 2 weeks after the coating's been applied. We double check the coating and we take you through a one-on-one wash process. We work with you directly and show you how to properly care for it. Now, a lot of our clients, when they come in for this service, they really like the fact that, they already know the outside's going to get done and it's going to look great when they pick it up. So most of them like to add a quick interior detail to it as well. You'll see we're kind of going to finish up drying it. We're going to make sure that there's no streaks or anything. And then we're going to go ahead and get the floor mats and stuff put back in from our interior detail that we did on it earlier. Now, I understand, when you're purchasing something along the lines of a coating, you really want to make sure that you have a reputable company that's installing this. But you also want to find out exactly what it is that they're going to do to help you to maintain and get the absolute most out of that coating. We take great pride in what we do, and that's why we offer things like this coating maintenance wash and your one-on-one tutorial to help you get the absolute most out of that coating. So make sure you ask.